So we're here. So ito yung mga kasama ko. At wait, anong gagawin? Dito? Oh. Thank you. Para saan to? Oh. Oh.
Hi, how are you?
Wait, how do we... Whoa. How do we, emote again? Is it...
Nope.
It's not that. It's not W. Okay. Okay, so ito yung bed. Okay, so that's not the bed. And we need to... Oh, this is a villager. Is that even a villager? It's not a villager, right? Oh, what's this? So we can get this, and we can get I don't know, what do we get? This? No? Okay, we got something more. So hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin dito. Sa tingin ko kailangan lang i-protect yung ito. We got this. Okay, so sa tingin ko we need to protect this. Oh,
Nope.
Wait, how do we place again?
Nope.
Wait, how do we place? Oh, E. Okay. Okay. There we go. And can we shift? Oh, may nalaglag. What up guys? Welcome back sa pagbagong video. In today's video, we're back on Minecraft. At itong laro na to at ang gagawin natin sa laro na to ay maglalaro tayo ng online games. At ito yung mga yan. Yan. So meron tayong bed. Meron tayong ito. At ito.
Stop this shit! Stop!
So, simulan na tayo. Okay. So guys, kung naiibang kayo sa boses ko ay hindi ang mic, hindi headset ang gamit ko ngayon. Ito ay earphones. Okay, kasi di ko alam. USB kasi yung gamit sa earpods, sa headset. Kaya hindi ko magamit kasi cellphone gamit ko. Kaya, sorry. Kung nakikita nyo, babae gamit ko, kaya babagoy natin yan. Kita yan. Okay, bagoy natin yan. Ayan. Ito. Wait, no. Ito. There we go. Create character. Yes, si Steve ang kailangan natin. There we go. Okay. So, gumawa ako, nag-sign in na ako dito sa Minecraft. Kaya ito, may pangalan na ako. Yung pangalan ko dyan. At, ayan, yung mga words natin. At pwede na tayo magkaroon ng, ayan. Okay. At pwede na tayo maglaro. So, meron tayong Soul Steel, new weapon. So, this is just a fighting game. At ito ay medium ping. Ang dami naglalaro. 2,000. So, merong tiga Spain, Indonesia, France, Germany. Wait, ano to? Indonesia. This is Italy, right? This is Philippines, Japan, and Korea. So, meron tayong ito. Konti na naglalaro. Meron tayong, wow. Ilan to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 11,000 na naglalaro. Ito. 18 bed wars. Wait, ano yung pinakamadami? Okay, hindi yan. Oh, mob maze. Oh, maze siya. Oh, maganda yun ah. Okay. At ayun lang. So sa tingin ko dito tayo gusto ko maglaro kasi ito ay 18,000. Sa tingin ko madami maglalaro dito. So, play na tayo. Oh, ano to? Casual third-party online playing. Casual. Online play is offered by third-party server that are not owned, operate, or supported by blah blah blah. Process na natin yan. Okay. Let's go. So, ano siya, naglo-loading. Nag-transfer na siya sa ating laro. Downloading pack 0 to 23. Okay. Bilis. Tagal. Yes. Yes, nandito na din. After 5 minutes, nakaano na din tayo dito sa Hive server. Okay, nag-loading resources na lang at makakapasok na tayo. Wait lang. Nag-died na yung keyboard ko. Dahil sa tagal. Okay, survive. Oh, what's this? Oh, dami tao. Wow. Oh, what's this? Season 4 tickets. Bed War Season 4. Okay. So, 11 into space with the Bed War Season 4 tickets instantly unlock.
Video ka?
Alright guys, sorry. Pumasok lang yung kuya ko. Nagpapakuha ng ballpen. Okay, so instantly unlock the Astro Pet, Cosmo Kitty, Topper, and Starlight Tenor Bed Set Complete Challenge to unlock more. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung ano ibig sabihin yun. Ano to? What's this? Bed Wars? No. Wala akong pera, sorry. Okay, so... grabe naman sensitivity natin. Wait lang, commands yun. Okay, and this. Okay. And ayusin natin yung keyboard, mouse, sensitivity with, let's make it to 35. Yan. Mas maganda na. Okay. So, press T to return to open chat. Press T. Ooh. Pwede tayo mag-chat? Okay. And what else? What's this? So this is Bed Wars, Scar Wars, Murder Mystery. Uy, hide and seek. And capture the flag and build battle. Turn run, Gravity, Block Party, Ground Wars, The Bridge, Survival Games. Oh, meron pa. Block Drop, Replace, Cinema, Questmaster, and Hub Spawn. Itong lahat to mga laro yan. Hide's game. So, yung Hide, itong pangalan na yan, ito ay isang server. At ito na talaga yung mga laro. Okay. Let's go. Huli na tayo. So, ang pinakamadaming laro ngayon ay ito. I don't know what the heck is this game, but yeah. So, dito na tayo. Oh. Okay, so nag-teleport tayo sa isang server. At dito ba tayo pupunta? Okay, Bed Wars, dito. So this is Bed Wars Solo, this is Duos, Squad, Mega, and this is Bed Wars Cosmic Clash. So ang pinakamadami ay, hindi ko alam kung kaya ako mag-isa, at ito yung pinakamadami ay yung Squad. Sige, ito na tayo. How do we... Wait, nagbago na naman. I can click. Wait, let me, oh my god. Okay, go. There we go. Okay, oh. So we're here. Sino ka, player need, okay, nag-i-start na. So, ano to? What's this? I'm just following someone. Uy, parkour. I'm good at this game, bro. Marunong ako mag-parkour. Told you. Come on. Oh!
Bye, have a great
Ay,
night.
nalaglag. Okay. So, we're here. So, ito yung mga kasama ko. At, wait, anong gagawin? Dito? Oh. Thank you. Para saan to? Oh. Oh,
Hi, how are you?
wait, how do we... Whoa. How do we, emote again? Is it...
Nope.
It's not that. It's not W. Okay. Okay, so ito yung bed. Okay, so that's not the bed. And we need to This is a villager. Is that even a villager? It's not a villager, right? Oh, what's this? So we can get this, and we can get I don't know, what do we get? This? No?
Freak ass on, bruh.
Okay, we got something more. So, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin dito. Sa tingin ko kailangan ng i-protect yung... Oh, ito. I think we got this. Okay, so sa tingin ko, we need to protect this. Oh,
Nope.
How do we place again?
Nope.
Wait, how do we place? Oh, E. Okay. Okay. There we go. And can we shift? Oh. Oh. Nalalaglag na ako. Oh, may nalaglag. May nalaglag. What? I need more, uy, may gold tayo. So, what do we need for the gold? Oh, this. We could get arrows. Okay, so pwede natin saan natin pwede ilagay yung mga... Ito. Wait. Oh, ito. So, pwede natin ilagay ito. At ito. Para pag nalaglag ako, hindi yan maano. Okay. So, sa tingin ko, mas maganda sa iba ko na lang ilagay yung ano.
Bawal yan! Bawal yan!
Ano ba yung C? Wait lang. Meron bang C? Kung wala yung C, doon na lang natin ilagay yung crouch. Kung wala. Okay, so wala. Q, E, M, A, D, C, W, Z, B, N. Wala. So, where is the crouch again? Oh, this. Wait, let's put it into C. There we go. So, sa tingin ko, there we go. And then, we can now... Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Oh no, I'm so... Di ako marunong. Oh. So, nalaglag ako. At we can get more of this. Oh, 7. Ang dami ah. Okay. Wala akong nagagawa. Sorry. Okay. We can get more of this. Ano? We can. Sa ko, hindi naman natin kailangan ng ano? Ng sword. I don't know. Sa ko, oh! Wow. Sana all. Wow. How many is this? We need... Oh. Let me get more of this. Wait lang. Punta tayo dito. And let's get this. And let's get... Oh, we could get this. But I want this one. Wait, di ba meron akong gold dito? See? Meron akong gold. Okay, malapit na. Malapit na tayo makakuha ng ano. Okay, nakakuha na tayo 37. Nakakuha na tayo ng iba. Kuha na natin to. Okay, may ano... Wait. Meron na ba ako? Yes, meron na. Okay. So, pwede natin lagay dito yung mga hindi natin kailangan. And we're good to go. Pwede na tayo umalis. We can go. Uy, salamat. Okay. Okay. Uy, may kalaban. Wait lang, tulungan kita. Ito ba yan? Yes. Wait lang! Wait lang! Uy! Uh-oh.
Get over here!
Oh! Nalaglag. Bruh. Wait lang, kukunin niya natin yung base natin. No? Okay, no. Oh, this game is hard. Sa tingin ko, kailangan ko makakuha ng perfect sensitivity sa akin. I need to find a perfect sensitivity. Wait, what do we need? We need this. There we go. Okay. I'm good to go. We can kill them. If I can. Wait, bro got diamonds. Okay, let's get some emerald. I don't know what do we need from emeralds, but let's get it. Okay, let's get some. Okay. This game is hard, bro. Ang hirap ng sensitivity ko kasi ang bilis. Okay, hindi ko alam kung para saan yung ano natin, yung emerald. What do we need from emerald? Oh, ito. Ano yan? Ito? Obsidian? Isang obsidian lang yun. Para dito. Bruh. Okay, so lagay na natin dito yung mga gold natin and ito. Okay. What? Siya kumuha. Okay, let's go. What's this? Ano to? Wala lang yan. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go kill someone if we can. Bro, Steve. Come here. Oh no, I'm gonna die. Stop it. Stop. I'm gonna die. Oh. Wait, can we... Ayusin ko nga lang. Kasi pag may sensitivity na ako, magaling na ako yun.
No, nigga! No!
What am I sensitivity ko? Let's put it into 30 and this, let's put it to 35. There we go. Yan. There we go. Okay na, maganda na. Makakapatay na tayo. Let's get this. Okay. Come here. Halika dito. Kailangan kita. And kailangan din kita. Okay. Okay, let's go. I'm ready. Nasaan na kayo? Come here. What? The bed has been destroyed? Uh-oh. I'm dead. Bruh. So, anong ibig sabihin niya pag sira na yung bed? Wala lang.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck?
Okay, we can destroy that if we can. Bro, no. Come here. No, come here. Bro, it's lagging. What? You died. Now spectate. What? Oh, I can fly now. Can we kill them? Can I destroy this? Oh, come on. So ano to? Report player. This game is hard, bro. Ang hirap naman ito laro. What? Bucket half. There we go. Whoa, broke out wings. Holy. Okay. Murder mystery. So, I think we can play one hide and seek, I guess. Yeah, let's play one hide and seek. Regular hide and seek. Great. Yeah, let's go. Isa lang. Grabe naman ito. What's this? Sun hospital. Let's go to hospital, bro. Sino yung yung hunter? Oh, uploads. Let's go be dry leaves. Start. Game start in 3, 2, 1, game. Listen now. What? Can we go third person, bro?
What is that? What the f is that?
Oh, there is me. Wait lang. Oh. Oh my god. Wait, how do we... Wait lang. Nandun pa rin naman ako. How do we go to third person again? I don't remember. Third person. Toggle perspective. Let's put that into... Wait, meron pang... Wait lang. No, not bottom one. Meron pang letter P. Wala. Okay, so... Let's go to letter P. Where's the... Ikaw. Let's go to letter P. So, letter P. Okay, there I am. So, nayan ako. Okay, so... Nasaan yung mga kasama ko? Wait, what's this? Okay. They can't find us. Pag nakapunta na tayo sa 1 minute na lang, tatakbo. Oh no. Oh! Lapit na yun. Hindi ko alam guys kung naririnig nyo pa ba ako. Hindi ko alam kung naririnig nyo pa ba ako. Hindi na. Okay. Wait, what? Seeker Smash 1000. Okay.
A few moments later.
Na yun yung mga seeker. Sa tingin ko, mas maganda magbago ako. Try natin punta doon. Okay. Punta tayo doon. Okay. We're here. Let's go letter P. Ayun tayo. Mas maganda punta tayo dito. Okay, punta tayo doon. Let's see kung may tao. What? It just happened. Ba't ayaw gumana? What? There we go. Finally. Okay. Oh, okay. May tao. Be quiet. Oh. Okay. Wait to be quiet. Okay, it's only 7 minutes after they find us. Oh, meron isa. Aray! Yes! Panalo! Ha! Wala. Talo. Sino yung panalo? Longest hidden. Okay guys, so sa tingin ko hindi na ako makapag-video dahil I think may nawawala. So sa tingin ko kailangan natin mag-leave because my mouse is dead. Yeah. My mouse is dead. Alright. Hindi na tayo makapaglaro. Alright guys, so kung nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to, please subscribe and hit that like button and turn the notifications on. At mag-comment naman kayo kung ano next na Minecraft server ang try ko. Ayan lang. Oh wait lang, ano to? No. I'm not joking. Ano to? Ang ganda ng skin ah. Ayan lang. Bye!
Wait so we can break apart the